Have you ever wondered how you can give your nerves the TLC they deserve? Stick around because we've got the answers you've been searching for. We're going to unveil 6 amazing vitamins that can help heal your nerves naturally. Before we proceed with the video, we encourage you to share any health issues you may have encountered in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, without any further delay, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with a vitamin that packs a punch for nerve health. We have vitamin C. We all know it's fantastic for our immune system, but did you know it's also a superhero for your nerves? Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. It aids in the repair and maintenance of nerve tissues, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. So, go ahead and enjoy those juicy oranges, vibrant strawberries, and crispy bell peppers for a burst of nerve healing power. Now, let's sprinkle some knowledge about vitamin B6 into the mix. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in nerve function and the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. By ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B6 through foods like fish, poultry, bananas, and fortified cereals, you're providing your nerves with the building blocks they need to communicate effectively. So, fortify your nerves with this essential vitamin and start your day off right. Next up, we're going to dive into the deep blue sea of nerve health with a dose of vitamin D. Did you know that vitamin D deficiency has been linked to nerve-related conditions? This incredible vitamin helps support nerve function by playing a crucial role in the development and maintenance of the nervous system. Whether you soak up the sun or enjoy foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks, you're giving your nerves a natural healing touch and promoting their overall health. Alright, my friends, it's time to crack open the power of vitamin E. This antioxidant vitamin helps protect your nerves from damage caused by free radicals. It also aids in the repair of nerve tissues and promotes healthy nerve conduction. So, by incorporating nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts, into your diet, you're providing your nerves with a dose of vitamin E and giving them the care they deserve. Moving on to an essential player in the nerve healing game, we have the mighty vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for the maintenance of the protective myelin sheath, which surrounds and insulates nerve fibers. By ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B12 through foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, you're supporting the health and integrity of your nerves. So, pour yourself a glass of milk or savor a delicious steak, knowing that you're providing your nerves with the nourishment they need. Ah, how could I forget this powerhouse of a vitamin? Let's talk about vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining proper nerve function. It supports the transmission of nerve signals and helps prevent nerve damage. Leafy green vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of vitamin B1. So, make sure to include these nutrient-packed greens in your meals to give your nerves the natural healing boost they need. And there you have it. 6 incredible vitamins to supercharge your nerve healing naturally. From the power of vitamin C to the wonders of vitamin B12, nature has provided us with a treasure trove of healing goodness. So, let's give our nerves the love they deserve by incorporating these vitamins into our diet and embracing a healthier, happier life. Remember, your nerves are worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on natural health and wellness. And now it's your turn. Share your favorite nerve-boosting foods or any personal experiences you have with these vitamins in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep those nerves in tip-top shape.